the relationship framework it was being reviewed from 2011 on, and the freedom of information, the responses show that there was very, very serious, negotiation. It was 30 different versions. There was a very fractious relationship between the department and the and IBRC.
You said that people like Mike Ainsley might have been, resisting change to the framework.
So much so that the first memo on it in 2011, the department anticipated that they would not be happy about it, and that's exactly how it transpired.
And do you think that's specifically to do with the Siteserv deal, or a number?
No, I'd say it's to do with a number of things, that they wanted total freedom to deal with it. They didn't want the oversight from the Department of Finance. They wanted to act independently of the Department of Finance.